Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back. I know it's been a minute and I've been extremely busy, and I know I say that in every single start of my videos, and I'm so sorry. Today's video is going to be very short. I am doing a facial, or not a facial, I am doing a mud mask for you. This is by Origins. It's Clear Improvements, and it's an active charcoal mask. It is amazing. I absolutely love this. I use this like 3 times a week. You're only supposed to use it for like a half an hour. I like to keep it on for an hour. And I am not kidding you. It makes your skin look and feel flawless. It's amazing. It takes away fine lines. I am not kidding. It really does. But yeah, so this is Origins. This is a sample. I am going to buy a big one, but I used to work at Macy's and in the cosmetic department, and I was always getting samples, so I lived off these. Now I'm going to have to go and buy them, so yeah, but I am, because I live and die for this, honestly. This is a live or die product. So I'm going to put it on. And I washed my face, so I have nothing on my face. And yeah, that was at my introduction. I guess that was going to have to be my introduction. Okay, and now we're going into the video. So, excuse my nails. What you want to do is you want to put it all over your face. And I don't have a mirror, so I'm using the viewfinder. And you know what? I better get a mirror. Hold on, people. Where am I going to get a mirror? Okay, I found a mirror. Hopefully I'm still in focus. So what you want to do is just put it all over your face. And you do need like a glob like that. And you just want to put it on your clean, washed face. Smear a thin to medium layer. Actually, like a medium layer. And I always go past my jawline. You're not really, I don't know if you're supposed to, but I do. So I'm going to do my forehead. And it feels so good. It really does. You want to put it all over your nose. And a sample like this, if you want to just try it before buying it, I would recommend that. A sample will last you literally, get this hairs out of the way, literally a couple of weeks. Probably maybe 4 or 5 applications, depending on how often you do one of these masks. Okay, so it's almost all on. And then we're going to time this. So yeah, I am putting a thick layer. You actually don't need a thick layer. A thin layer. I just kind of went a little crazy with that. And I'm slouching because my camera is angled like that. Or whatever. Alright, so I can already feel it hardening and working. Honestly, it's going to get so tight, you're not going to be able to talk. So I'm going to put just a little more on my forehead. I'm sorry, I'm covering my face. I always do that, and that's a bad habit. And now it's on my hand. I feel like that's a waste. You don't want to get it all over your fingers like I just did. Just put it on the tip of your fingers and then just spread it all over your face. I'm sure you've done masks before, so you kind of know what the deal is. So I did put a thinner layer on my forehead. Yeah, so just sit, relax. You can't really have a cup of tea because you can't really move your mouth. So just take a nap. Do something for half an hour. Depending on how long. I'm going to leave this on for an hour, so I will be back in an hour. Okay, I'm back and I look really scary and I can't even talk or smile because this is so tight. It's been probably about an hour, 55 minutes. I kind of lost track of time. So I am going to wash this off and I will be right back. Oh, and when you do wash it off, it goes into a lather. So a lather. So you want to like rub it into the skin, and it's going to feel so good when you're lathering it up, and then you just rinse it off thoroughly. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I washed it off, and my skin is, honestly, I wish you could feel my skin. It feels so soft, like a baby's skin. It's amazing. I am addicted to that Active Charcoal face mask by Origins. Yes, you have to get this. I will list the product name and where you can find it on the description box. And yeah, so that's it. I'm sorry I haven't been consistent with my videos. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure my camera was on. But I started a new job. My videos are going to consist of different things, not just beauty tutorials or makeup tutorials or skincare. It's going to consist of a lot of different things. So I'm going to change my banner, my channel banner, and also, as you probably already know, if you are a subscriber, my little club of subscribers, I appreciate you so much. But if you are a subscriber or you do follow me, as you know, I haven't been consistent with my Tuesday and Thursday uploads. It's because I am so busy, like, all the time. But I'm really trying, because I really want to make this channel work, and I want to get more videos pumped out, I don't know, uploaded. So please keep following me, and please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not already. And I really appreciate you watching this video. So yeah, go out and get yourself Origins. I'm serious. I'm not sponsored at all. I wish I were. And no one's telling me to talk about this product. I'm talking about it because I love it. Okay, so go try it. Get yourself a sample. Alright, well that's it. Thank you, and I will see you next week. Promise. Bye.